finally back with another makeup tutorial after months of being absent. And this time we're doing a black and pink rock Gyaru makeup tutorial. So if you're interested in getting this look, stay tuned. I cannot begin off an eye makeup look without priming my eyes first, and here I'm using the Bad Habit Beauty eyeshadow primer and placing that all over my lids. This is especially crucial because we're going to be placing down dark and bright colors. For my transition color, I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm using an Etude House single shadow in a pink color and applying like so. My eye makeup to be more neon, so I used a Sugar Pill Electrocute in Love Buzz to do so, but I don't suggest doing this because the color did not stay at all. Using the color Silk Kimono from the Bad Habit Beauty Cult Mystery palette, I am applying this color for a brow bone highlight. I'm spraying a brush with MAC Fix Plus spray, and I am setting down the color Lacquer Lush as best as I can on my eyelid. Now this is gonna look crazy, but you're just going to focus on setting this down in the lid at first and applying kind of to make a crease of some sort. It's gonna look crazy. You're going to spray the brush and use a pencil brush just because you're gonna get less fallout under your eyes this way. And like I said, it's gonna look crazy until everything's blended and setted down. Like you're seeing here, I'm trying to blend that out, and it's gonna take a lot of setting down, blending, setting down, blending. But eventually you're gonna get a good result if you just stay patient. So we're actually not going to want a dark color in that inner corner, so I'm taking a ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00, and I'm going to apply that with a flat brush into the inner corners of my eyes. So remember what I told you guys about not recommending the Sugar Pill Electrocute pigment for that pink color? Yeah, there's me reapplying it to my eyes. So the cool thing about the Cult Mystery palette is the glitters can go over top of that black color, so I used the color Sakura Blossom as a glittery lid color with a black undertone, and I thought it was quite cool, honestly. Here I'm just setting down that Lacquer Lush color for a deepened crease and also extra dimension in that outer corner of my eye. So here is the return of that blasted loose sugar pill pigment that is not wanting to stay down, but I'm placing it underneath my eye because I'm going to take a brush sprayed with MAC Fix Plus spray, and I'm going to go under my lash line and smoke that out with black eyeshadow, but I want to pop a pink under there, and as you see, that pink is definitely not staying, especially when I'm smoking out that black eyeshadow with a softer brush. I'm using a Stila Liquid Glitter eyeshadow in the color Diamond Dust for some inner corner sparkle. Yeah, I don't recommend this technique at all. Don't use loose pigment. Don't be dumb and do what I did. But here's me doing it, before anybody fucking asks. Yes, I did wet my brush. It's just not staying down. I don't understand why Sugar Pill. Why? I also tried to salvage this with an eyeshadow wing because, you know, God bless me. Disaster this is. I was out of frame, but I'm using Dollywink Black Liquid Liner. Matter of fact, my liquid liner was drying out, so yeah, this is a train wreck. But basically, you're just gonna make your eyeliner really angular, especially in the inner corners. You want like kind of a weird notch looking thing. You'll see it once it's all done, but yeah, you just want your eyes to look really extended. I like the dark effect that pencil liner gives, so I'm using a Dollywink one in black, and I'm just gonna line my waterline. Here I'm going to contour my gremlin face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Rich Amber. I'm using a Candy Doll blush duo. I'm taking the lightest shade, which is Marshmallow Purple, and I'm setting that down on the apples of my cheeks first. And then I'm slowly going to build up with Strawberry Pink. And as you build up, you'll notice that there's like a purple undertone with that pink. And it's such a very pop-teeny Gyaru thing that I've been trying to do for years, but nothing beats an actual Candy Doll blush for this type of effect. For highlighting base, I'm using the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost Highlighter in the shade Canary Bling, and I'm just applying that to key points of my face. For this highlighter, you want to tap it on, you don't want to rub or you're going to rub off your foundation. If you tap like so, it's going to stay on and your foundation's going to stay intact. Over top of that, I'm using the shade Pink Heart from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonshop Glow Kit. I'm sweeping some Heroin Make Mascara in the long formula to my upper and lower eyelashes. For my first set of top lashes, I'm using the Ageha lashes in number 115. Not going to lie, I regret not using the 111s for this look because these lashes weren't strong enough for that heavy of an eye makeup look. The second set of top lashes were the Jun Komori Eye Amazing lashes in style number 4. I'm just applying some off-brand bottom lashes. So here I decided to experiment with a product that I hadn't tried before, and that's the Dior Lip Lacquer in the shade Dior Fever. And I'm just trying to make a lip shape with it because it was quite messy to work with because it's like a lip gloss or like an actual liquid lipstick that doesn't dry down, so it was quite messy actually, but I do like the shade of the lip color. I decided to experiment some more, and I used a Lime Crime Diamond Crusher lip topper in Pink Pearl and just applied that over that Dior lip color. No lie, to kind of hide the mess a little bit. Don't know if that helped at all. And this concludes this glittery black and pink rock gal makeup look. This was definitely an experimentation and a trial and error type of makeup look, but I hope you guys at least found this entertaining, if not helpful. Anyways, until next time, guys.